There was a period in my life when even the simplest movement felt like a challenge. Walking across the room felt like dragging my body through heavy mud. My knees made strange cracking noises, like old wooden floors under pressure, and every step came with a sharp reminder of how fragile I had become. The stiffness in my legs made me feel decades older than I actually was, and the pain seemed endless, a constant companion that never left my side. Nights were worse. I would toss and turn, desperate for comfort, yet unable to escape the throbbing pain that spread through my joints. Sleep became shallow, mornings felt heavier, and life seemed dimmer each day. I tried almost everything that people recommended. Painkillers dulled the ache but never cured it. Ointments worked for a few minutes before the pain returned, and costly injections gave me temporary relief that vanished as quickly as it appeared. I even tried unusual remedies I stumbled upon online, hoping that one of them might be the answer, but nothing worked for long. The pain always came back, stronger than before, and with it came discouragement. Slowly, I began losing hope. Then something unexpected happened. A kind neighbor, seeing my struggles, told me about a natural morning drink she prepared every day. At first, I doubted her. How could something so simple really help when so many expensive treatments had failed me? But desperation pushed me to try. That single decision changed everything. Within days of drinking the smoothie, I noticed something remarkable. My body felt lighter. My steps were easier. The stiffness that had chained my knees began to loosen. For the first time in years, I could walk without fear. Now, I climb stairs with confidence, get out of bed without bracing myself, and even enjoy long walks in the park again. The power of the smoothie. What amazed me most was how simple the recipe was: just prunes, oats, and coconut milk. 3 ordinary ingredients that you could find in any kitchen. Yet, when blended together and consumed consistently, they worked like a natural healing tonic for my body. Don't let the simplicity fool you, as sometimes the smallest things make the biggest difference. Unlike painkillers or ointments that only cover up symptoms temporarily, this smoothie works from within. It nourishes the joints, reduces swelling, and gradually restores strength and flexibility. Instead of masking the pain for a few hours, it helps your body heal at a deeper level. The difference is like putting a fresh coat of paint on a rusty car versus actually fixing the engine. The smoothie targets the root cause of stiffness and pain. When I first began drinking it, I didn't expect much, but after a few mornings, I felt a shift. My legs weren't as heavy, the stiffness eased, and the grinding sensation in my knees started fading away. It felt as though my body was being oiled, like a rusty door that finally swings open smoothly again. Each day, I moved with more freedom, and each week brought even bigger improvements. That was when I realized sometimes the simplest solutions are the ones we overlook. Instead of searching endlessly for complicated fixes, the answer was sitting in a natural drink that worked gently but effectively. Why these ingredients work? The magic lies in the combination of prunes, oats, and coconut milk. Each ingredient carries unique benefits, but together, they form a powerful team that targets pain and supports joint health. Prunes are far more than a digestion aid. They are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K that strengthen bones and prevent bone loss. Several studies even suggest that prunes help slow down the weakening of bones as we age, making them one of the best natural foods for long-term mobility. Oats are another powerful ingredient. They provide soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which not only supports heart health but also lowers inflammation in the body. Oats release energy slowly, preventing fatigue and keeping you active throughout the day. They are comforting, filling, and excellent for sustained energy without spikes and crashes. Coconut milk ties everything together. It hydrates the body, delivers magnesium and potassium, and helps relax tense muscles that often worsen joint pain. Its natural fats help lubricate joints and provide lasting energy by reducing stiffness and nourishing tissues. Coconut milk makes the morning transition from rest to movement much smoother. When combined, these 3 ingredients form a natural defense against inflammation, stiffness, and weakness. Instead of working separately, they complement each other, creating a complete joint-supporting drink that restores comfort and strength. How to make the smoothie. One of the best parts of this remedy is how easy it is to prepare. You don't need special tools, and it only takes a few minutes. Start with 6 pitted prunes. If they're slightly dry, soak them in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes to soften them. Don't throw away the soaking water, use it in the blend, as it carries nutrients from the prunes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. Oats provide thickness, fiber, and the steady release energy your body needs in the morning. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk. You can use fresh coconut milk if available, or boxed versions work just as well. The milk adds creaminess and delivers hydration and minerals. For extra flavor and benefits, add half a banana. This not only makes the drink smoother but also adds potassium, which is essential for muscle function and fluid balance. Finally, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon doesn't just add warmth to the flavor, it also improves blood circulation and reduces inflammation. Blend everything together for about 2 minutes until the drink is smooth and creamy. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Within days, you'll begin to notice the difference: lighter steps, less stiffness, and more energy to start the day. How and when to drink it. Timing is important when it comes to maximizing benefits. The best time to drink this smoothie is in the morning before breakfast. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients fully without interference from other foods. It also sets the tone for the day, giving you steady energy and reduced discomfort right from the start. My own experience was proof of how quickly it works. In just 3 days, I noticed my knees weren't as stiff. After 1 week, I was climbing stairs without needing support. By the 2nd week, I no longer relied on painkillers to get through the day. And after 30 days of consistency, I felt transformed, as though I had regained years of my life. The real key is consistency. Skipping days reduces the impact, but making this drink part of your daily routine turns it into a healing ritual. Think of it as brushing your teeth, something you do not because it works instantly, but because it keeps you healthy in the long run. Over time, the small daily action builds up into massive results. Fun variations. While the basic recipe is powerful, it's also easy to add variety so you never get bored. I experimented with different versions, each offering unique benefits. Swap the banana for a crisp apple if you prefer a lighter flavor. Apples bring extra antioxidants and fiber. For an extra anti-inflammatory punch, add a small piece of turmeric root along with a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb it better. This golden addition is excellent for joint health. Chia seeds are another great variation. Just a spoonful brings omega-3 fatty acids that support joint lubrication and heart health. If you want a creamier version, replace half the coconut milk with plain yogurt. This adds probiotics that improve digestion and overall gut health, which also impacts inflammation. And on hot days, adding a few ice cubes makes the smoothie a refreshing summer drink while still delivering all the healing benefits. These variations kept the habit exciting and encouraged me to stay consistent. No matter the version, the outcome was the same: less pain, stronger joints, and more freedom to move. Looking back, I'm still amazed by how such a simple daily drink transformed my life. I went from struggling with every step, dreading the pain, and relying on temporary fixes, to moving with confidence and joy again. This smoothie was not a magic pill but a gentle, natural way of giving my body what it needed to heal itself. If knee pain or stiffness has been holding you back, I encourage you to give this recipe a try. Commit to it for at least 30 days. Watch how your mornings become easier, how your steps feel lighter, and how your confidence returns. Sometimes healing doesn't come from the pharmacy but from nature itself. This smoothie reminded me that the body has an incredible ability to repair and strengthen when given the right support. Take this step for yourself. You deserve to move freely, to enjoy your daily life without fear of pain, and to rediscover the simple joys of walking, climbing, and living fully.